In the final video, we will look at how to prepare results and import those results into Google Earth. The first step is to view the results on the map. Then we will export the shapefile. We will do some file handling. And then finally, we will import and view the results within Google Earth. For this demonstration, I have prepared a propane leak scenario and located it in this location. When I review the results, you can see the cloud footprints located from that leak point. The first step for exporting results is to select all of the shapes that are provided in that cloud using the 3 weather categories. The next step will be to select shapefile, and this will be a 2-step process. The first is to export the leak point, and we will call that propane GIS point leak. Save. And the next step will be to save the cloud footprints, and we will call this cloud footprints. Before we import into Google Earth, we must perform some file handling. As you see here, the output that I saved from Phast, the propane GIS linear cloud footprints, is saved in 3 different file extensions, as well as the GIS point leak, DBF, SHP, and SHX. So before I import into Google Earth, I have the file that I downloaded from the spatial reference website, which is called 32614 projection file. So what I must do now is rename 2 copies of this .prj file using first propane GIS linear cloud footprints .prj, and then next propane GIS point leak .prj. Rather than go into all of the detail of copying the file name onto the PRJ extension, you can see here that I have 2 files now, propane GIS linear cloud footprints.prj and propane GIS point leak.prj. This information now has all of the requirements for importing into Google Earth. Now, in a future version of Phast, we will look to automate this process so that you do not have to download and manually copy the file name on top of the PRJ extension. And the final step is to come into Google Earth. In Google Earth, select the file import, and then we have 2 shapefiles that we will import. First, we will import the leak point, and we will use an existing template. And then the next will be to import the cloud footprints. And again, we have the option to create a style template. A style template is simply the color and thickness of the lines that will represent the cloud footprint. And now we will see the cloud footprint superimposed onto the Google Earth map. Once we select in the places location the images that we've just imported. Now, once in Google Earth and once the images have been superimposed, you have the flexibility to view this from multiple angles and perspectives. Thank you for watching. Please contact digital@dnbgl.com with any questions.